it thinks they can read this recipe. Alberto, can you read this? What it says? What do we need for ingredients? Right there.
2 cups
Granulated.
Granulated. 2 teaspoons baking powder.
Yeah, baking powder. Canola.
Canola
Oil.
Yeah,
but then vegetable. Yeah, oil.
Vegetable.
Oil. Wood also.
Would also be fine.
Yes, that's what we have. Actually.
1 cup meat.
And this is 1/3 and 1/4. The yellow, 1/4. And then 1/8. Yes. So this says you need 2 cups of sugar, but this is only a half, so you actually need to have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these in here. In just one bowl first, because you're gonna mix dry ingredients and wet. Well, the egg is after anyway, but go ahead, pour that in there. Make sure it's level to the top. That's what we've done so many times, yeah? 1. That's for you, here we go. Okay, there's 2.
You do one,
wait,
but
here,
you do one and then you mix.
You gotta mix
and
that.
then you do another one and then you mix. Okay, so one at a time.
Yeah. So now listen, teacher Luke just said it. You guys gotta do it one at a time. Then we gotta mix. Hold it tight.
Hold it straight.
Yeah, okay, there we go. Oh, wait. Make sure it's nice and to the top. Okay, good. 1, good. Okay, that's good. Who added the egg? Here, Viola.
Yes, it's good like this. Let me take it.
Yes. You're gonna be next, okay? Relax. She's gonna crack the egg now, and you're gonna stir it in, okay? Oh, okay. Yeah, they are gonna need it in a minute, but I was just gonna do this first.
Okay.
Anna, can you pour this for her? But you have to pour it 2 times in that one. Just now, wait till it's to the top, okay? And then you can pour it in. And now you need to do. Hold on to that.
This? Yeah. Stop.
No, pour some more.
Okay.
Okay, 3/4 cocoa powder. Okay.
No. They need 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
No.
This group over here.
Yeah, and
Anna.
here you can take 1.
Thank you, dear.
That was cool.
Don't stick your fingers in it. You guys.
They don't have baking powder.
Okay. Do we double it or no?
No, because 1 goes here and 1 goes there. We're making 2 batches of it, basically. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I will just show you.
It already looks like a cake.
1.5
There you go.
Oh.
2 teaspoons of baking powder,
Okay,
yeah.
put it right there. 2, yep, 2.
And then
So that's 1.
it's vanilla.
I like it.
You like it? Yeah, you want to smell it here? Don't drink. No, you don't want to drink it. You don't want to drink it. You don't want to drink it. Yeah.
That was somebody's turn. Do it.
Okay, good. Now, good pour. That was a good pour. Yep, here. You're gonna mix this with that. Slowly.
Remember we said like 2K?
Wait. Let me do this first. Hold on, please.
Remember we said
Wait, no, here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Everything
and
you can stop right now. if
It's
you'd
right
like.
here. Trade.
Is that what you want?
It's okay.
That's alright. It's not it. Yeah, it's not it. Here, go ahead. No, but if we
Look
hurry up
at
and
my
they cook, then no. Ian, you don't put sprinkles on the inside. You put them on the outside. So on here, put both of them in there, sweetie, like this. Ready? Like this. Smush them in there. 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 Hold on. Patience, please. I'm going to show you how much you got to put in because you don't want to put too much in there or else it'll be flat in the middle.
Yeah.
So you just put it like that. 2 scoops, okay?
More middle one.
Okay, then just put it in there like that.
They all keep.
I'll just put 2. Oh. I found the middle.
Here we go. Whoa. Okay, that's really hot. Ow. Hot. Yeah, it's really hot. Really hot. You guys, I don't want to give them to you scorching hot because I know you want to eat them and then you're going to burn your mouth. You don't want to burn your mouth, do you? Let me see here. Ready? So, oh, I just dropped it. Here we go. Ready? Oh, sorry, I dropped some on you. That's okay. Alright, then. Here you go. Okay, yummy. You're all set. Good job.
Oh,
You gotta hurry up. You got friends behind you. You gotta hurry up.